Hi guys, Ian here from ianeba.com. Welcome to the introduction video of my new 12-part video training program on PLR, private label rights. As I'm presently running a series of posts on my blog on PLR, I intend to run this video training series alongside the posts, starting with this introduction video to the course. The purpose of this video is to introduce you to the program and outline what's in the course. So, let's get cracking. PLR products provide an excellent earning opportunity. This whole course is going to teach you how you can improve and maximise your income and your earning opportunities from using private label rights material. It's a fantastic invention for internet marketers, and it's one that will help save you a lot of money while at the same time make you a lot of money. If you use the PLR products well, then what you can do is dramatically reduce the product development life cycle. What I mean by that is, if I start creating a product today, it may be 2 to 3 weeks before it's completed. It could be even longer, depending on the complexity of the problem. However, if I was to buy a PLR product, I could find that those 2 to 3 weeks creating a product could be dramatically shortened to maybe as much as a day, or possibly even less, depending on the quality of the PLR, but usually it's around a day. So you can see, you can massively reduce the amount of time it takes you to create a new product, which means that you can get good profitable products to market more quickly. Let's have a look at this scenario. Let's say I'm creating 2 products a month and it takes me 2 weeks to create each product. So 2 products a month means I'm creating 24 in a year. Now if you think about it, that's not really that many, is it? And let's just say that each of those products gives me $10 a day. That's a total of $240 a day. However, with PLR products, if I create 1 product per day, in a week, I could create 5. I could even take the weekend off. That means in a month, instead of just 2 products, I've actually got 20. The potential profit is much higher because you can get products out to the marketplace an awful lot quicker. Being able to respond that quickly to niches that you have found means that you can potentially earn a lot of money. Now, I'm not saying to be successful with PLR material, you have to create 5 products a week. This was just an example, remember. But even if you're stretched for time or lacking a little confidence and can only manage 1 product a week, that's still 4 products in your first month while you get to grips with the system that I'll be showing you during this course. And before you know it, you'll soon be creating 2, then 3, then 4 a week. Basically, PLR is cheap product creation. You could of course hire somebody to ghostwrite you something, and it would be quite unique. But that will cost you an awful lot of money. For example, a decent ebook will cost you anywhere from $300 to $1,000, and a decent video series anywhere from $500 to $2,000, perhaps more. With PLR, you could buy a decent quality video series for pennies compared to how much it would cost you to get it made for yourself. But finding good private label rights can be tricky, and that's one of the things we're going to cover during this course. I'm going to show you some of the best places to find your PLR. If you buy bad PLR, it's going to be a nightmare for you to rewrite. It's going to take ages, and that's not really what we want. What we're after is being able to rapidly turn around a PLR product and get it out into the marketplace in order for us to earn from it. You've got to find good quality PLR in order to do that. But if you use PLR right, you can really improve and maximise your income, and the earning potential is quite staggering. It really is. You'll start to understand that as you go through this course. As I pointed out a few minutes ago, if you compare the fact that you could get 5 products a week instead of 1 every 2 weeks, then you can instantly see the difference in your earning potential. So, what's in the course? This course is going to teach you an awful lot of information. We're going to talk about private label rights, what it is, and actually why it's so good. We've touched on that a little bit already, but I'm going to go into it in a lot more depth and tell you why it's something that you really shouldn't be missing out on. I'm going to show you what PLR is, show you what all the rights are, the various rights that you can get, and how they can affect your use of it. I'll tell you which ones are the best ones, and which are the ones you ought to say to yourself, not too sure about that one, I'll leave it for now. There are certain rights within PLR that instantly devalue the product, and it's worth your while not buying it and waiting a couple of weeks. But there are some rights that make PLR products extremely valuable, and we're going to talk about those during this course in more detail. I'm going to show you some of the best places to find your private label rights products. Now, there are a lot of potential sources, but there are a couple that really stand out as being the best places. I'm going to show you how you can make money from PLR products. You may already have PLR products, but what do some people do? They are going to go out there, put the PLR product, the sales page, and everything up on the internet and make no changes to it at all. Yes, they may make a few sales, but I'm going to show you how to really improve and maximize how much you can earn from it. I'm going to show you how to rewrite PLR as well. Now, not everyone knows how to do this, so what I want to do is point out the major points that you have to rewrite if you want maximum profit. I'm going to be sharing with you a lot more information about that during this course, which ones to look out for and which ones to do. I'm also going to be sharing with you a little about PLR articles. That PLR articles are again very popular, and some people will use them. In fact, a lot of people should be using them, but I want to show you how to use them properly, again for your maximum profit. I'm also going to cover selecting a PLR membership site, if that's what you want to do. There are a lot of PLR membership sites out there, some good, some not so good. But we're going to talk about the criteria that you need to have when you look at a PLR membership site and help you find the one that really works well for you. Of course, there's going to be a lot more. It's a fully featured course. There's a lot of information, so you may want to have a pen and paper ready. But follow me through the course step by step. Follow me through the steps. And remember, you can always pause the video while you carry out each step before you move on to the next one. Do the steps as and when I talk about them, and you'll learn how to use PLR, and you'll make money from it. That really is what this course is all about. So, stay tuned for the next post in the series, and I look forward to you joining me on the course starting in the next video, What is PLR?